Hi, families. I hope everyone is having a great break. I just wanted to go over with you a couple important things as we lead into our Unit 2 in ELA. So at the start of break, I shared with you a Unit 2 student schedule. So there are some changes to our schedule, so you're going to want to make sure to look at that. I highly encourage you to print this out and to go over this with your child, including highlighting where their group might be meeting. Our groups are changing this unit, so I will send that out to you, that information of what group your child is now in. I just want to go over with you our ELA virtual classroom information for this week and next week. So this looks exactly the same, but it's updated to show our new unit. So 9:45 to 10:45, you can still expect your child to be meeting in whole group. We're working on Language Arts Unit 2, and we will be starting week 1. Our new question is, well, our new unit is called Characters Facing Challenges, and the new question we will be focusing on is what can we learn when we face problems? I will place the weekly slides over here just like before. Right now only week 1 is linked, and I'll link the new slides each week. So after our whole group meeting, your child goes on to the next slide, and this is the same up here, 10:45 to 11:30, reading and phonics independent work time. So it says independent because it's for this. These are the tasks for the days your child is not meeting with me. Obviously, if they're meeting with me, they're not going to be doing these tasks on that day. So number 1, finish the writing task we started in our whole group meeting. So again, that would be, if you don't know what that task is, you could go back over to our slides from that week and look at the writing task we were working on that day to figure out what your child needs to finish up. Number 2, benchmark tasks. Do your Unit 2 Week 1 phonics tasks and read your group's new book in benchmark by Friday. Log in through the Clever link. So I've updated many of those assignments, but not all of them yet. So your child in benchmark, I've switched over to benchmark here. In benchmark, they will see their color group. And this is the week 3, this is from last unit, but it will have the blue group week 1, because they'll be on Unit 2 week 1. And so you'll click on their color group assignment in order to see what book they're supposed to be reading for that week. You'll notice it has over here these green checks. That's because every child in the blue group finished reading their text last time. If your child hasn't read their text, then this is going to show up as a purple X, or it will show up as a blue clock, which means that they're in progress. On mine, it just shows the list of the students' names, but for your child, they will see, it will look more like this, and it will have the book title. And then again, you can see this child read the book, and so it has that green check. So each week they are reading their group book, and then it says also they need to do their Unit 2 Week 1 phonics. So that has been updated over here. I'll go back to here. All right, Unit 2 Week 1 phonics. So every child in the class has this set of assignments. And so it's purple for everyone because no one in the class has started this yet. So again, if I click on this, you can see these are the 3 tasks that every child in the class is supposed to complete by Friday. When your child completes it, over here it shows up with that green check. And when I get on, I should see that each child has completed all of those phonics assignments for the week. I don't use these for ELA grades, I use these for responsibility grades, but the purpose is really for your child to be practicing their phonics skills, and so it's to benefit them. All right, so next, so after your child's finished the writing task and they've done their Unit 2 Week 1 phonics tasks, read their group book, it says read 20 minutes every day. If your child just read their group book, obviously they don't have to read 20 more minutes. Or if they're meeting with me, obviously they don't have to read 20 more minutes. These are for the days they are not meeting with me. They can read on benchmark, they can read a book at home, or they can read on Epic. So in benchmark, I've added, this is the same as last unit, but I've added the new leveled readers. These are optional books that your child may read if they would like to. So they'll have leveled readers and they'll have list A, B, C, D, E, F. So if I click on one of these, you can see these children obviously have not started the books yet because it's a brand new unit. but if I click on my little blue guy over here, here are all the books that these children have the option to read. These are optional, but they are books that go with our current unit. So again, when a child finishes reading one, I will see that green check and I'll know that they have been reading those texts. So those are one choice for the reading 20 minutes a day. And then number 4, practice your long O spelling words. So if your child's already done a phonics task that day, they've already practiced them, so they don't need to practice them again unless you would like them to. So here are the words for the coming week. They are all long O words. And then at the end it says optional, watch a Storyline online book. I really just put that there to give you the Storyline online link. I added in this little chart down here that shows the reading schedule since I know it has changed and is different. So it shows you the times. This top little section is for the morning times that I meet with readers, and this bottom is for afternoon times I meet with readers. This is new because before I did not meet with any readers in the afternoon. So you can look for your child's color group. Like the yellow group can see that on Tuesday I'm going to meet with them 11:30 to 11:30 or 11 to 11:30, and on Wednesday I'm also going to meet with the yellow group from 11:30 to 12. All right, so you can look for your child's color group, or you can look for their initials if that's easier for you. I meet with some kids only 1 time a week. I meet with other kids up to 3 times a week. So please look through it carefully and find all the times I am meeting with your child. So it really depends on your child and their needs. I think that is everything for language arts. I will email you guys to say which color group your child is in for the coming unit, and you can expect those to continue to change at the end of each unit. Let me know if you have any questions.